Why are our place names so important to us? Would we be lost without them? My name is Tudur Owen, and I'm going to explain why our place names not only tell us where we are, but possibly who we are. That piece of land just beyond Llandudno is called a Gogarth, the Great Orme in English. Orme comes from the Scandinavian ormr, which means dragon or viper, because when the Vikings were out at sea in their ships looking at this great lump of rock jutting into the sea, it reminded them of legendary creatures. Here on the Little Orme there are many interesting Welsh place names. The Welsh name for Little Orme is Diniewaid, and this place is called Porth, Diniewaid, but for some reason people have started calling it Angel Bay, and that's such a shame because Diniewaid is the old Welsh word for cow, and depending which time of year you come here, and we're very lucky today, this place is full of Diniewaid y môr, sea cows, or in English, seals. It makes much more sense, doesn't it? And you won't find an angel in Llandudno these days anyway. Llandudno Junction, on the other hand, does make sense because it's a very busy railway junction in this part of the world. The Welsh for Llandudno Junction is Dramâu. You'll see it on street names and even on the industrial estate. But take a closer look and you will discover that marl means earth or soil, but a particular kind of soil, good quality stuff, full of chalk. It's borrowed from the French word marl. The English language has borrowed it too, and it appears in places like Marlborough. So take a closer look and you will discover treasures, like here in Llandudno Junction, or Dramâu, the town full of rich soil.